Anvil is 100% compatible with all mobile devices. Here we are showing the icon menu on an iPad. Anvil features many flexible menu templates, all designed for fast and easy navigation on any device. All menus feature dynamic content direct from your IBM iTables. This icon view menu shows views and processes that can be accessed directly or, in the case of many functions, a list of options can be displayed. Popular functions can have their own icon, such as sales by month, while less used functions can be grouped, such as all category options. All available options in the system can be displayed by clicking the menu icon. This list is searchable, by the way. Information panels can be added to any menu to assist your users. The menu styles can be set by user. To change the menu style, I click the settings icon, then click the menu style. In this case, I'll select text, save my settings, and now I have a text style menu displayed. This menu also features dynamic content from the eye. The left side acts as a menu selector, so I'll show distribution center sales, and the right side shows links direct to those options. The quick links style menu shows direct links on the left side and all menu options on the right side. For phones and smaller tablets, there is a phone style menu. On the phone style menu, you simply have links direct to the options that are configured for phones. All Anvil menus and display panels are responsive to the device being used, and all touch input is fully functional. Users can also select their own color schemes. This is one of my favorites.